Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, something a little bit different to do with shrimp. How about a garlic pepper shrimp? I'm gonna do like a sauce for it. Or we're gonna maybe put it on skewers, or maybe I'll put it on just the grill itself. I haven't figured that part out yet. But anyways, let's get started with the sauce. That's the most important thing for this recipe. So I've got a pot right here on the stove top. You could do this on the grill if you wanted. I'm gonna use some hot chili oil. You could just use plain oil, a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more there. That's gonna kick it up just to get a little bit spicier. And then I'm gonna place some garlic in here. We have some fresh chopped garlic, about 6 cloves. Actually, I'm doing a double batch here for the sauce because I have 2 pounds of shrimp that I've already peeled and deveined. So I'll go ahead and put the garlic in here. And what I'm going to do is kind of brown this up. It's going to go on a medium heat here to get it to brown up in that hot sauce. So we'll come back as soon as that's done. All right, it's been several minutes. My garlic looking really good. It's nice light brown look to it. So I'm going to put in the soy sauce, some oyster sauce. Get all that out of there just like that. And finally some sugar and black pepper. Ooh, oh boy, that's going to be delicious. All right, I want to bring this to a boil. And once that boils, I'm going to take it off the heat and let it get down to room temperature. I want to make sure that sugar dissolves inside of there, and garlic and the pepper. Oh, I can tell already it's dissolving. I'll let this get up to a light boil here, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat and let it cool down. All right, I'm out on the grill. I decided to skewer the shrimp, so let's take a look here. I went ahead and skewered the shrimp deliberately just so I could flip them a little bit better. So I have my ghee, or you could use butter, and I'm just going to baste these a little bit on one side, and I'm going to put it on the grill here. What that's going to do is keep the shrimp from sticking from my grill grates. At least I hope it does, best it can. It's going to probably flare up just a little bit, but that's okay. Let me just baste those. Okay, I have those ready to go. So let's open up the grill. Ooh, I got a little hot spot right there, so I'm going to bring down my burner. And what I'll do is take, in this case, since that's flaring up, I'm just going to lay that right there. I'm going to flip that butter side down. And then what I'll do is go ahead and butter the other side. Yeah, again, you probably get a little flare up, and that's okay. And we're going to cook these for about 2 to 4 minutes. I'm going to watch them here. It's on a medium-high heat. Just watch it really close as they cook. Put that right here. Grab another one right there. Put the rest of my butter. Baste that really nice on there, just like that. This will help keep them from sticking, hopefully. Like I say, we'll see what happens. I could, baste the grates just a little bit too. That won't hurt anything. All right, cook that for about 2 minutes and see what happens. Okay, it's been a couple minutes here. Let's check the shrimp. Oh, wow. It's looking good. It needs a little bit more time. But I'm going to go ahead and flip them over anyways. I'm going to flip this side. I'm going to flip this side. Be sure you wear a mitten or something, because those are going to be really hot if you're using the skewers. I'm going to just let those cook a little bit longer now. Another 2 minutes before I get ready to baste them with this special sauce. Okay, it's been another couple minutes. Let's take a look at the shrimp. They look really good now. I'm going to go ahead and flip them over, just like so. Yeah, look, those are looking really fine. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bit easier for me. I'm going to pull them around this way. And then I'm going to get our marinade, right? We made this great garlic and pepper, a little bit of sugar too, marinade. So we're going to caramelize these shrimp up a bit. This is just going to kick it up incredibly good. In a way, more like an Asian shrimp barbecue. I guess I'd call it a different way, but definitely going to give an Asian flair to it because there's soy sauce in this marinade as well. I'm gonna get this to caramelize up a little bit here. I turned down the heat to low, just to help it out, not to overcook the shrimp, but they're looking about perfect right now. So let me finish drizzling this on. We'll get both sides of the shrimp with this marinade. Oh, lots of garlic on there. Oh, that's gonna taste so good. Let me just finish that up. Let me just let that cook for about a minute, and then we're gonna flip it over. Okay, it's been another minute on the shrimp with the marinade on here. So let me go ahead and flip these over one more time and get ready to marinate them again. Let me get them real close there together. Grab my marinade. Oh my goodness. I just had a neighbor walk by and just say, wow, that smells delicious. Like, believe me, standing right here in front of this grill, it does. This is amazing. You'll have to try this recipe. We'll get this off the grill here in just a minute. Let this build up, and then take it inside, give it a quick taste tester, okay? Okay, I brought the shrimp in, these skewers, this garlic pepper shrimp. Oh, this smells wonderful. I'm gonna see if I can try to grab one of these off the skewer without burning my mouth as usual. Ah, it smells delicious. Give it a try. Oh, wow, that's delicious. Try this recipe. Wow, that pepper, wow, it is just delicious. The garlic tastes wonderful too. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will love this recipe. This is awesome.